Welcome to our channel. Today I would like to show you how to clean the USB-C charging port on a Samsung Galaxy A02s phone. The first thing we always do is turn off the phone. Never clean the phone while it is turned on. You always need to turn it off completely. Once it is turned off, we need a brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard so that we don't scratch the phone. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol to first soften the dirt, so that the dirt comes out of the socket, and then so it evaporates and leaves no trace. It's also good to have a little piece of plastic like this. We actually printed ours on a 3D printer, but you can just as easily buy one on Allegro or something similar, which will simply let you check the very ends of the socket to see if there's any dirt that's hardened, and then it would just let you pull it out. It's simply this: the tip is sharpened. The point is, it needs to be plastic, because if you put something metal in there, you could cause a short circuit in the socket and potentially damage it. You can buy these items, like the brush and diffuser, as a set on Allegro or Amazon, and if you don't have them, you can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard. It won't be as convenient as this brush, which is about 2 centimeters long, thin on one side, and fits perfectly into the socket, but it will still work. So once we've turned off the phone, we moisten the brush with alcohol. And if you don't have a diffuser, just dip the brush in alcohol. We take the phone in our hand. Here we have the socket. We insert the brush from one side as far as it will go and then move it to the other side. We repeat this motion about 10 to 15 times in one direction. This is done so that the entire socket gets thoroughly and effectively cleaned. Then, from the other side, we insert the brush and perform the same motion in the opposite direction, again about 10 to 15 times, to clean the other part of the socket as well. It's a good idea to repeat this process 2 or 3 times to ensure the socket is perfectly clean, because not everything always comes out perfectly the first time. Or if the socket is very dirty, unfortunately it will take some time for the dirt to soften so it can be removed from the socket. After cleaning with the brush, take the piece of plastic and move it along the bottom of the socket in every direction and from every side, using the plastic you have in the socket. So first move it upward in one direction, then upward in the other direction. Then you can turn the phone around and do the same thing in the other direction, along the bottom. And then we can be sure that the sides of the socket are also cleaned and that nothing is left inside, so the cable will fit perfectly. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate. After that, you can turn the phone on and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.